So, what's my images? It's half of the fidget that you make that you like put the other end in. So, it's a fidget. And my friends like these, so I'm making more. They paid me 25 cents for each of them. So yeah. So this finished printing last night. I have a Rainbow Lab P1S. And guys, Rainbow Labs are really good. Their printers are great. Go ahead and buy them, please. They're really good. They're great printers. So, I have these, which I have a lot of. Also, this is just really fun. It prints, and you can print toys and stuff. So, drop a like and subscribe if you like my video. See ya. Bye.